Kumshi bynta na kajing rakhe ban penne pansa ban penke biang ya MEI MARIANG, u Chief Executive Officer joka Worldwide Impact Dr. Bramley W.B. Lungdo ula pelat patba ikitien sneng kitien kerau jong u ban penke biang ya MEI MARIANG kabala shakta na kadau joka jingwan lung shop dan share joka Mariang na kadau ka jing jong kilom tha kani ka jing kentu jong u ban penke biang kalong kumshi bynta na ka jing pen snow joka United Nation bade ban le shitom hakini ki shi post nam ban 1 ban Pynjyrngam biang ka Mariang khnang ba ki longdien kin yo ka lawe ka balat ni jing ki ba mi na ka Mariang.
Greetings from London. This is Bramley Lingdo, founder and CEO of Eco-Friend World. I want to wish you all a very happy World Environment Day 2021 on the theme Ecosystem Restoration. Today, the United Nations also starts its UN decade on ecosystem restoration for the next decade. And now is the time to restore the balance on Earth and secure the future of generations to come. So let's plant and restore Mother Earth while we can and fight this global pandemic, which is triggering millions of other viruses that are coming out from meltdown of glaciers in the Arctic, in the Antarctic, and also in the Himalayas. So as the planet warms up and global temperature rises to 1.5 or 2, more and more pathogens will be released. And the more interaction that happens between birds and bats and polar bears and other wildlife with humans, we will suffer the breadth of the consequences. Thank you so much and happy World Environment Day.
Press the red square.